All right, right now at 6, reaction to a federal sexual harassment lawsuit against Fairfax County Fire and Rescue. Our Peggy Fox broke this story on WUSA9.com. It's the first such complaint of the Me Too movement. The ACLU filed a lawsuit on behalf of two high-ranking women accusing the Fairfax County Fire Department of harassment, bullying, discrimination, and retaliation. Today, a government spokesperson issued a statement saying Fairfax County takes these complaints very seriously. Any newly identified issues within the Fire and Rescue Department will be immediately and thoroughly investigated by the county and in cooperation with the EEOC. The leadership of Fairfax County is committed to a workplace free of harassment, bullying, retaliation, and any actions that contribute to an unhealthy work environment. The ACLU charges that coincidentally, this all happens just as Fairfax County is showcasing its fire department to the world. And today, Peggy Fox spoke with women firefighters about the accusations.
It just so happens that Fairfax County is hosting the International Women in Fire and Rescue Service Conference this week. Some 300 women are here from around the world, honing their skills and learning new techniques in fighting fires.
So today we're learning about how to move the hose line more effectively and just different techniques, faster, more effective, efficient advances.
I talked to some of the more experienced women about the ACLU charges against Fairfax County and how we've seen discrimination complaints and sexual harassment complaints in other departments across the country. I asked them, what's it going to take to bring change?
It can't be policy driven completely. It has to come with that cultural change, with the support from administration, with the support in the stations. You're not going to change everybody's minds, but I think we just have to keep fighting for, fair treatment.
I can see the change happening. It's been happening. I'm sure I haven't seen what most women have seen. I've been pretty fortunate where I've come from in different areas. That, again, I come from that strength. I come from a backbone of you press forward. And I say the biggest fear, if you have that in your life, is that person that's challenging you probably has the biggest fear that you're probably going to outcome and overdo them.
What's it take to be a woman firefighter?
It takes heart, it takes integrity, it takes a lot of courage because it is a field that is outnumbered. There are a lot of men, and so, to suit up and to prove that you can work just as hard, and, you might even have to work a little harder just to learn the techniques that are better for your body style. So it takes a lot to be a female firefighter, but it's so rewarding.
In Loudoun County, where this class is being held, I'm Peggy Fox, WUSA 9.
The I Women's Conference, as it's called, runs through Saturday.